Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Emmanuel Agbogun dey complain about the traffic wey dey for everywhere for Benin, especially for Kpobayi. Make I leave you, make you hear from Emmanuel Agbogun as he don explain some of the things wey dey cause this traffic.
Yes. Good morning, my ever-conscious Edo people. I remain yours, number one activist. Yeah, but only one person have been carrying inside motor. You and who they go?
My son.
And when I find you arrange this thing now?
No, they go later.
Okay. Alright, so I got some stuffs in my vehicle and I can't carry much. So yes, my ever-conscious Edo people, I hope you guys can see what we in Kpobayi are suffering. Like, I've been in the traffic, but this morning I'm not going to be putting them on my Facebook at all. I don't want to show them. You have Edsma, you have Puhoff, you have what have you again. You have I've not seen the police. I've not seen them at all. I've not just seen them, and they are the ones. They are the ones that really introduced this hold up back to Kpobayi. Now, what have been the issues that they stop bus drivers, collect money from them, 15 naira, 100 naira, you know, because on this route you have over thousands of vehicles plying the road. Now, this would have ordinarily wouldn't have, you know, been felt this festive season if all the potholes before now had been fixed. Then secondly, again, effective traffic management. But I was shocked today that I saw for the first time Puhoff workers, what do you call them, Edsma staffs, Bonaventure was also doing a lot this morning, but I don't want to put any of them on my camera. The reason is that they don't need to tell them to be doing this thing at a time like this. They need not to tell them, even on Sundays when they know that visitors are coming into Benin City for crying out loud. If we talk now, they go say governor no dey work. They go say now we dey fight governor. Look at yesterday. The economic lifespan of Kpobayi was shut down yesterday because of traffic. Most people coming to Kpobayi to enjoy the environment couldn't come because the traffic was messed up because of negligence on those people that are collecting monies from government. Those jobs that government saying they are creating. It was messed up for those. That's why I'm not bothering to put them on my camera so that it doesn't look as if we have something special we are trying to attract. So my brother and all of us they suffer this. I did very happy yesterday. Say very many persons, even Kpobayi authorities, some of them hook up yesterday but they hold up. Not be able to talk. More could they see action. Look at Rama Park. As Rama Park is looking very unkept. Those persons who started digging the drainage to clean it up that they have not done for the past 4 years. Those people who were doing it, I expected that by now all those waste would have been out that place by now. All those things would have been out by now. If you want to move at a time like this in Benin City, we have good road infrastructure here in the state. Even if they are dilapidated, we shouldn't have this kind of gridlock where people will be stuck in a particular place for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. What's happened? So, the truth be said, Edo State civil servants, it's not more of talking, we are doing this, we are doing that. The simple control traffic. The traffic light, we all know that the government has refused to fix them. We have been talking street light, the same thing. Now, the one that human beings will do, that they are paying salaries, in fact, the lackadaisical approach to the work. In this state, we have police traffic management, federal road safety traffic management, state government traffic management, poor volunteer workers. We see how people work out revenue, those ones are on the road always looking for violators. Why are we still having this kind of gridlock in Benin City? On weekends when we know that people are coming into the states as a result of the U-Tide, as a result of the festive season. Now, on this other part of Benin now, I pray the traffic light is working because we won't get stuck here if it's actually working. But all these things need reprogramming. Everybody can see for itself that the volume of cars in Benin is increasing rapidly. It's on a rapid increase. And if we as Edo people are not managing all of these things, we will continue living like uncivilized people. Uncivilized people, parking here and there, everywhere. Even when government will bring notice that don't park here, don't park here, don't park here, don't park, you still see parking. You still see parking. At a time like this, when everything ought to be organized, the reverse is just the case. So when some of us talk, they say we are fighting government. Are we not all suffering it now? This is second junction. It's obvious that the traffic light cannot help the situation here. It's very obvious. This is Christmas. Some of us started shouting this in 3 months too. So if government, could sit down and say how many vehicles are on this road, this is not as hectic as Lagos, this is not as hectic as Port Harcourt, not as hectic as Asaba, and we are witnessing this in all of those towns now. Go and look at life. Life is bubbling. People will not want to come into a city where they cannot move from point A to point B to enjoy the activities in the town. Look at it. Look at the whole of Benin City. The traffic light itself, even if it's working at this junction, it doesn't manage the traffic situation on ground at all. And on this junction now, there's no pull-up worker that is visible. There's no ETSMA. Even if they are here, maybe they should be on one side, because the working environment is not friendly. At this junction, there should be a manual control traffic. Look at it. See how people are driving. Everybody wants to move. Me myself, I'm not even following the traffic like, I got to move too. But the truth be said, government can do better. Look at their blowing siren. If you look at that siren now, maybe it's what do you call him? Local government or party state chairman or local government party chairman or a commissioner or something. The whole traffic is messed up, and they will not tell us they don't know. So why are they not fixing it? Why are they not fixing it? Will this one still cost money? Okay, thank God it's the military. Thank God it's the military. Can they not fix it? Everything is moving at the same time, and they will not claim to say that they don't know. They will not just claim to say that they don't know. They will not claim to say that they are not aware. These are what is causing the gridlock. But these men, they are seated in government office, all the PAMSECs, commissioners are there, they have not appointed all the PAMSECs. What are they doing to manage this? What are they doing? This is the heart of Benin City. Anybody coming in from the eastern part of Benin must pass through this corridor into the heartbeat of the city. Look at it, messed up. And we say there's a technocrat in charge of our state. Hell no. Look at it. We've been saying these things. This is on a morning when all the employees of this government agency are supposed to be out. Where are they? And on all of what do you call it now? Downsing, second junction approaching Downsing. The whole traffic here is the traffic lights that is even here that are open on. Except they are not monitoring these things as government officials. Then what are they collecting revenues for? What are they taxing bus drivers for every day? If you calculate what bus drivers pay on this road from here to from Ring Road to Bypass, what the bus drivers pay on this road, you shouldn't have any issue of traffic management if they are sincere to themselves. You shouldn't have it. Festive season like this, look at the town. This one and Okpari, nothing is working. This Downsing junction and no street light is working. How much is this street light? But if it's to charter lawyers to Supreme Court to pervert justice, how far now? You dey go area?
No, I dey go Downsing.
Downsing, okay. Everywhere good. So you dey get me? So it's not nice. It's not nice at all. Now this whole place now we are stuck again because the traffic is not working. And on one part you see the traffic light working. How do you expect those other people to understand what the routine for the other side is telling? You say they are working. Somebody will sit down in London and say it's comrade show. You'll be saying that they're improving on education and do best. Some of these schools will show you now when they resume by January, so that you see what they are investing money in. You will come and see it. this deceit, this lie. Oh, we're trying to tell ourselves the truth because everybody must see the ripple effect. I cannot even go through here again now because look at the whole of Ring Road is gone. I have to take Downsy now. The whole of Ring Road is gone. You are seeing it by conjunction. If I'm on that traffic, I can achieve anything today. I cannot achieve any single bidding today. Why? Why? Why is Benin City like this? A former regional seat of them Midwest, Edo Delta, a seat of power, a seat of government. Is it Fulani men or is it what do you call them? How do you call it? The northern agitation, I mean the northern control. They agreed for power. Are they the ones doing this one to us? If not for Oshomole that came and attract very many development, that's why I'm even supporting the man. You will pass through Texami Road, TV Road. They have been doing it for 2 years. 2 years, I mean 4 years now, 5 years. For what? And they will tell us that we don't know what we are talking. They will tell us that we don't know what we are talking. Somebody will be talking, somebody will be saying citizens. Emmanuel, you shouldn't blame the government, the citizens. Why shouldn't I blame the government? Now on this junction now, you cannot tell me that the over 1,000 something plus ETSMA workers that the state government employed. You cannot tell me that they cannot do this job. Now on this junction is even a volunteer. Somebody who belongs to this Federal Road Corp that is actually volunteering himself. Look at it. Okay, now I'm only seeing one ETSMA worker here. Just one. Just one. Just one ETSMA worker. It's not funny at a junction as popular as this, as Mission Road linking and Downsing Junction. As popular as this junction, only one ETSMA worker, how can he walk? Then on both sides of the road now look at parking, indiscriminate parking. Parking. They are collecting to 200 at the detriment of we commuters that are burning our petrol. Look at it now. For me to navigate inside my own town again, I have to start looking for corners. This one is this man to be reversing is obvious. The road state there is let's give it a trial. So this is Benin City for you. The way Oshomole left this Mission Road with that street light, you know, he was trying to fix up the street lights, you know, towards the expression of his government down to what was it called, Aduwawa. The way he left it 5 years ago, that's the way it is. And I believe somebody was giving this contract. What stopped it? That was it. I mean, in a government that is continuity. When the man Oshomole talk, they will also say, what is Oshomole saying? So more they look and where. Another comrade go there, say comrade Lantin, they are managing Edo where. One will be in Germany, one will be in Singapore, one will be there. They say they are Edo professionals, that they are managing Edo where. Look at the road as viable as Mission Road. Do you know the revenue Edo State government generates from here? To put street lights, even if you cannot put electricity, light from solar electricity, Osyomo, put solar. Do you know the crime rate on this place? Benin City is choked. Not just because of the youth time, but because we are not managing the situation very well on ground. We are not being honest to ourselves. Everybody wants to take a sharp cut, but I just want to follow straight. This is a dual carriage lane, but now everybody is forced to maintain the single lane as it then was. It's so pathetic. So pathetic. So that the Benin City we talk about, so when they say they work, even if the entire Edo State no work, the capital city, the way Oshomole fix this town, that's the way it has been. We are doing Saba roads. Saba roads, how many vehicles are plying the road? We are talking about major roads If you are doing no Sabbath road, that's the more reason why this vehicle shouldn't be part of major roads. So what are they doing here? So what are they doing here? See it, situation is tough. My coming out today was just to have a stop at the zonal police head office and the area command to submit our congratulatory message to my very good friend CP Johnson Kukumo, who has been recently appointed AIG, and to also manage some other issues as it has to do with informing our people and also get some stuffs. Shit. See my battery here. See now my battery head for my truck has gone down. So you guys can see it. If it's not this hold up, I wouldn't even have the feel of the fact that my truck will be giving me this issue. So you can see it. But because the traffic is not even helping us, this is a road like Mission Road that should ordinarily feel enjoy free flow of traffic. The reverse is just the case. Too bad. Too bad. So my Edo people, we must have to tell government to improve on this. Not people that don't live in this society, they will sit down and they say Edo is advancing, our people are enjoying this one, that one, because you control, you believe that you have influence of other our people, you know, from your diaspora network. You have that influence and you believe that that's the best thing. You know, it's so sad. It's just so sad. Just so sad. Just so sad. Calm down. See all these guys, they've come. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come here, bring her. Bring her. All of you now. I go meet her. So you can see it. So bad.
Collect your Bible here for only 300 naira. I said I'm 300 naira for Bible here. Now only go for Bible here. Don't collect your Bible for only 300 naira. I said I'm 300 for Bible here. I'm still in fact. Never say never get your Bible. Still in fact. Never say never get your
As you can see, the traffic here is
Now what you don't hear from Emmanuel Agbogun, abeg, help us share this video before you go. If you get anything to add join wetin Emmanuel don talk today, go to comment section, make you put your own for there. So make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching than ARG YouTube.